There you go. Stop.
Yay! Come on, $1. $2! Woo! Did we get 10 more spins? Yes. Oh, like $4.50. Okay, ready? Play! Ting, ting, ting. Spend my $5 that I won.
Cool.
It was awesome. Oh, they still have free popcorn.
And again, we have an absolutely beautiful Thursday night to have our East Dubuque car show. We're going to take a quick look at all the cars that came out to the show. And at the end of the video, you can see where we had to fix my buddy's hydraulic cylinder that broke on his rear end. So, as always, thanks for watching and enjoy. Pump motor's stripped. Sounds like the pump head's stripped. The motor's running, but it ain't turning the pump. Then you didn't fill it?
Not all the way.
Oh, okay. Oh, It's either that or else the pump motor's slipping because you can hear the electric going. Lift it the other way. Does it go the other way? Or don't you have that set up? It should go. Oh yeah, there you go. There you go. Bring it out and I'll fix that pump. Dude, your wheels are so crooked. Did you drop the cylinder when you lifted it? Oh, stop. Pulled the cylinder out of the shock, or out of the rear end. Drop pressure on your left rear. Driver's rear, lower all the pressure out once. That's all the way down. That's both. Okay, only lift the right side. All right. So, yeah, so ball socket popped out of there. I'm gonna just do this in case something terrible happens because we want to record it. Fire or some shit.
Grab that.
Can you? Here, I can lift it. I can lift it. You push this in under it. Okay. Now you're gonna have to. We're gonna have to jack that up against the bottom of the car.
Is everything good in the trunk?
Yeah, it just floats out.
Okay, now I'm hitting the trailing arm.
Oh shit.
Do we got
So you're not even compressed to there. I should have grabbed a block of wood. No, yeah, push in like that and do it. Okay, perfect. You're hitting pressure. You're gonna have to hit the dump in order for us to get that to push back in.
Okay, no. No,
Is that? I don't think it's. I think, is it in all the way? No, there you go. Hang on. Just push it all the way in. Where did it just break? No, there. It wasn't all the way in. Okay. So now when we put pressure on this, we hit the dump, it'll push the hydraulic fluid back into the tank. And then we'll be able to compress that enough to flop it over. So. Slide inside. Oh yeah, there we go. It's not pretty. All right. Is that enough? Yep. Boom. Now,
You guys need a hand or anything?
pressure. I think we got it.
Do we need to get this out?
No, you'll use the hydraulic. So just
By the way. Very cool.
yeah, just go ahead and tap this side up a little bit. It should pop in there. A little more. It didn't go in.
Should I
Go.
lift the front?
Go ahead to get the jack stand out of there. Just lift the front a little bit, and then I think it's loose already, right? No, one more tap on the front, you got it out. The ball just didn't actually fall. Wow. All right. Drop the rear end all the way down, and we'll see if that ball socket pops back in. Otherwise, we're gonna have to hit it with a hammer. Oh, there was. Actually, you know what's doing at your second stage of the cylinder? When it comes down, it's actually hitting that collar when you're going up. And I think that's what.
Yeah, you can feel it.
bent.
You can feel it. You can
Go up again.
totally feel it.
Go. I want to make sure it popped into the actual hole.
Yeah, I just
That's gonna be sitting right where it's supposed to be.
Yeah, it is.
It's right where it was. Just go back up again.
Make sure that hose ain't.
I'm pretty sure when it dropped, I heard it pop back into place.
Yeah. It sounds right.
Yeah, it's all the way in there, but it ain't safe, dude. You can actually see.
I mean, is it safe to drive?
What's happening?
And get home?
Oh yeah, 100%. It's been this way for a while. What's happening is this cylinder, or this extra collar for the outside cylinder, is hitting this cup right here, and it's forcing it and popping it out. Because this should not have been mounted there. It should have been mounted straighter. So that way you had halfway, and when you're all the way up, it's like sticking out the side. So we'll have to cut those off and re-angle them anyway, but we're gonna have to replace them because that's broke. That air tank's in the back seat, but you're fixed. It's as good as it was when you got here. I wouldn't recommend three-wheeling on that side again. Cool beans, no tow truck.